Hey my DIYers, we are back at it again with another video. You already know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you guys are feeling these tutorials so far. Okay, let's get into it. For this hairstyle, I am grabbing 2 of my locks and combining them with my handy rubber bands. You guys know how much I love my rubber bands. And then taking the first set of locks and pulling it back and combining it with the second set of locks. Now that we are towards the middle, I am doing the same here. So because these ones are a bit thicker, I'm twisting them both down and then taking my rubber band and combining the 2. And then you're just going to repeat the same on the other side. Off camera, I put my hair into 2 pigtails. I am grabbing my sensational boho curly tracks, taking my bobby pin, and then just wrapping it around my locks. I didn't use a stocking cap or anything like that. I'm just literally wrapping them around. And it covered everything. I didn't have to worry about it. I love this curl so much. It's such a beautiful curl, and yeah, I'm just wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. And then towards the end, I am grabbing a piece of hair and then wrapping that around the weft to cover it, and then taking a bobby pin and securing it. And after that, I'm just grabbing my scissors and trimming it a bit, and boom, there you have it. Super fast, super cute curly pigtails over locks. And you know, you gotta do the edges, make sure those are nice and cutesy. So cute, so fast. It's a no retwist type of style. Something that'll give you that retwist look, but you know, just a different way. Here you have it. It's super cute, super fast. And this hair, really love it. I will share all the products that I use in the link. Thank you so much again for watching my DIYerzz. I really appreciate it. Again, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye.